Welcome to Tianjin Iron Brothers Machinery Trading Co., Limited. Follow me. Let me show you our office. This room is for our overseas trading team. And the other area belongs to our engineering technicians. We have a full range of machine models, including truck cranes, crawler cranes, construction elevators, and a large tower crane model. This is our reception lounge for business talks. Tianjin Iron Brothers, your reliable partner for construction machinery. Welcome for business cooperation and negotiation.